I'm actually down here in Patong Beach, Phuket, Thailand, and one thing I'd like to do, whatever country I am in, is do somewhat of a walking tour on the streets, and this is what I plan on doing today here in Patong. Not necessarily going out on the beach that much, more or less kind of walking the side streets, the back streets, whatever you want to call them, here in Patong Phuket. And it'll be interesting. I like doing these, one of my favorite things to do on whatever country I'm in, and it kind of gives you a lay of the land on what's actually going on here. So, you know, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. So let's get going on my little walking tour here in Patong. And right now, this is actually the southern area of Patong. There's the little circle right there on Beach Road. And then this is like the entrance of the beach here where all these jet skis come in at. And I'm going to make my way up and around Patong. Make my way up Beach Road a little bit. Have some sights and sounds of Patong. And this is the most tourist dense area here, I believe. Plenty of taxis, no shortage of that. Look at this seafood. Give you an idea how much you could squid, 140 baht a kilo, maybe, down this way. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going, but it's just kind of nice to see what's on some of these streets here, especially in the back ones. And no shortage of cannabis. Let's see, what is this? Some type of stand right here. Looks like an ice cream. Sweaty cup. So actually back up here on Beach Road after taking a little side street. I'm probably around Center Beach area on the backside. They have t-shirt shops, plenty of them. Sweaty cup. Let's see. What we got here? Another 7-Eleven. Absolutely no shortage of 7-Elevens. Let's see what's happening down this way. Swadee Krap.
สวัสดีค่ะ สบายดีไหม สวัสดีค่ะร้านสเต๊กเอง
No, thank you. Take a walk. I'm actually back up here on Beach Road after taking a little bit of a side street and kind of getting my bearings again and heading north up Beach Road. I believe I'm about halfway. Because the largest tower is Patong Tower, and that's right there. I believe it's the tallest building in Patong. Let's take a walk further. Water looks so beautiful. So I'm up here at the Patong sign on the north end, just before Bangla, and I'm going to go down Bangla and head down to Maritime Road and see what's going on down there. So this is the sign, and I was just over at the beach watching some parasail operations going on. And now I plan on coming down here later on and actually coming through here at nighttime, which would be really interesting. Look at that. So this is the walking street at nighttime. They actually close it off. Not much excitement, I guess, during the day, but it always seems like it. The street. Down this way. It's always a good walk. Bangla walking street. Although right now it's used as the road, but later on I believe they close at maybe 6-7 o'clock at night, and I will come back down here, I don't know when, and walk it at night and see what the difference is. Continue my way to Ratuyut Road. Plenty of barbecue. Plenty of fruit. So I'm right here at the intersection across the street of Bangla and Ratuyut. There is the walking street, and I thought I would come down this road and go down here and see what's down this little street. I've never been down it, and it's always interesting to see what's happening down here. That's why I call it my walking the streets. Wherever I'm at, I do this all over the place. I did it in my San Diego travels. I did it in my Cambodian travels over there in Siem Reap. And now I'm doing it here. Swadee Krap. I like you.
Chicken.
Chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe later. I'm still walking.
Okay.
I come back. Thank you.
Okay.
Looks good though. I love it. I just love these little street vendors. You guys are just absolutely awesome. I love Thai food. Who's cooking there? What is that? That's like a soup, right? Oh, that looks like it's got squid in it, maybe. Kind of gives you an idea. This is one of the reasons why I actually like to walk when I'm out here doing these walking tours. You see little things like this. have to do is actually take a water break up here at the 7-Eleven, keep myself hydrated. So there's one right up here on the corner. You gotta watch where you're going to these motorbikes, and sometimes they feel like they're gonna run you over. No mercy on motorcycles, believe, going here. Let's see. Alrighty. All I want is some water. Oh, keep my, just a small one. Ought to do it. I was over in Kamala yesterday and doing all that walking there, and you know, you really got to keep your water intake up, because if not, you get really dehydrated because it is really hot out there, even though it's monsoon season. So time to pace. I mean, depending where you're at, I mean, 6 baht for a bottle of water. I think I paid 20 baht yesterday when I was there at Kamala Beach. I mean, it just depending where you're at in the location, but it's all good. Right next to a fruit stand. I just love this passion fruit. I just bought a bunch. Waddy cup. Is this passion fruit?
Yes.
Very good. I bought some yesterday.
Oh.
I just love it. Yeah, so I picked up some of that passion fruit yesterday near my condo there in Kata, and it is really good. I mean, if you haven't had passion fruit, give it a try. So I'll finish my water and continue my little walking tour here of Patong, the back streets I call it, and I just love doing the back streets. And that's where I'm at right now. So little tour, little water break. So I'm actually back here on Rat-U-Thit Road, and I'm going to make my way south. And what is it, I'm not too far away from the Jung Silong, I guess they call it. Doing my way down Rat-U-Thit Road. Maybe there's a little side street I can go up here on my way back. I'm actually going to try to get back out to Beach Road without going any further. So I will try this back way here. Maybe this will get me out to the Beach Road. I'm not sure. This is just another side street. All is interesting. Very lucky. I've made my way back, and Beach Road is just right up there, so I am right on the side street. But I'm going to come back here and get another water here in 7-Eleven. Let's see. Once again, time for a water break. Let's see where they got the water. 7-Eleven water seems to be the best bet. It's either 10 baht here. Kind of weird on the price. Outside the 7-Eleven, once again, the second one I've been to today for a water break. And it goes to show you the difference in price, where the other one was 6 baht and this one is 10 baht. So I guess it depends on what 7-Eleven you're in and how much they're going to charge you, but it's no big deal. I got a drink of all this walking in this weather right here, and I put maybe, you know, mileage wise, maybe 10 or 11 miles on in a day. So it's all good for you. Same with the walking. And I'm here on some little side street, and I'm gonna make my way back up to Beach Road and then head south. So this is just a little quick. Actually back out here on Beach Road, and I will head south because it's much cooler here out on the road near the beach, believe me. And I'll get a little bit of beach action heading back. this is the end of this video of here of my walking the streets of Patong Beach, Phuket, Thailand. And it's really been really cool. I'm back down here where I actually started from, so I kind of did a pretty good loop in and around some of the back streets areas and a little bit of the beach just to kind of get a good feel of it. But that's one thing I love to do, is wherever I'm at, is do a walking tour of that particular country or where I'm at. And it's really a joy because you can really see things that you don't normally see when you are, let's say, driving around or, you know, on a motorbike or in a car. And I just like to get out and walk and be actually right in the mix of everybody, and this is what I'm doing now. You know, if you like this content, please consider subscribing. You know, I travel to a lot of different places, and my adventures are now currently in Phuket, Thailand. And please consider subscribing, hit the like button. It really does help out my channel. And this is a lasting shot of Patong Beach. And it's very beautiful out today. That is a shot of the north. And this is a shot of the south. So I hope to see you in my next video. So see ya.